Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2019 Chrysler 300. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is waiting for you to take home. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split-folding rear seat, a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, an outside temperature display, and remote keyless entry. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.